everybody. I just wanted to do a few reviews of some products. I bought these not too long ago, about 3 weeks ago or so. The company's called Wipebook, and they have 3 different types, 2 sizes, a smaller size and a larger size, so you can kind of see them in comparison. The larger size, they actually have a graph and a ruled, which the outside covers are different, but the only difference is in the inside. One has graph paper, which would be really hard to see on this. Can't really tell, but it does have graph paper, and the other one has regular ruled paper, which I've got my notes here, but you can see there's lines that you can write on. It's hard to tell this from the pictures online, but they do have multiple pages, and you can write on both sides of them. Now, along with it, it basically pops up a recommended pen, and these were reviewed by someone else, and I definitely recommend them. These are actually called, and I'm probably mispronouncing this, but Staedtler Lumocolor Correctable pens. They have 2 different types. There's a fine point and a regular point. I use fine point because I like really small lines. Make sure you're ordering the right one. There's 2 different types. There's only 4 colors: green, red, blue, and black, which is very useful. I recommend the wet erase, because the wet erase, if you're not familiar with them, with regular dry erase, if your hand moves over it, or with the pages, if they're rubbing against each other, they'll probably get affected by that. But if you use a wet erase, you have to actually have something water-based to actually clear it off. So you can use anything from, tissue, napkin, whatever, just dampen it a little bit and then it wipes it clean. You can also get dry erase cleaner, that'll clean it really well. But it works really well. They also have these pens. If you buy this type, on one end they have an eraser here. This only works well for small erases, like if you misspell something or you just want to get rid of a small line. If you're doing a major cleaning, you definitely want to use like a napkin or anything that will clean up wet erase. So these pens, a set of 4 of them, are about $13.50. I'll leave the link on the diddly-doo below. So that's about $13.50. And then this book with the graph paper is a little over $30, $31. Same thing for this one. And then the mini book is $28. So they have a decent number of pages you can write on the front and back of them, which is nice. So if you like dry erase boards and you want something to take notes, or maybe write the same thing you're studying and you have to write it again and again, these are great for that. You can look at other reviews online. There's a couple other types. I went with this one just because of the number of pages you get in each book. So you can check out the other types of dry erase notebooks, but I really love these. I love dry erase boards. Everywhere I work, I always have them, and these are great for taking notes on. So I'll leave the links below, and hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot.